Location, location, location in real estate is the name of the game. In 1937, Don Juan Lane in the East Lake area of DeKalb County does not disappoint. With easy access to I-20, I-285, I-75, and I-85 makes an easy commute to the city of Decatur, downtown Atlanta, Agnes Scott College, East Lake Country Club, and the campus of Emory University and Hospital. 1937 Don Juan Lane is a luxuriously renovated, hard-to-find 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath ranch home in one of East Atlanta's highly sought-after areas. As you enter the home, you are met by the sheer elegance of this home's bright open floor plan. To the right is its spacious living room area and perfectly appointed fireplace for a quiet night at home. To the left is the dining area, where dinner with family and friends is well lit with the understated elegance of the black and gold chandelier. Next, we find the chef's kitchen, with white cabinets, quartz waterfall island with breakfast bar, sparkling hot glass backsplash with under-cabinet lighting to show off the look. Stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas stove, dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator, finish the space. Just off the kitchen, you will find the oversized pantry and mudroom area. The additional bonus of a flex area makes a perfect keeping room or additional dining space, which makes the home's open floor plan a place for everyone and everything. If you are looking for a primary ensuite with plenty of privacy, let's head down the hall to this lovely appointed master bedroom with barn door leading to the spa-like bathroom with his and hers vanities, lighted motion sensor vanity mirrors, and a Bluetooth speaker, light, and fan to make dancing in the shower the perfect way to end your day. From there, we find 1, 2, and 3 perfectly oversized bedrooms with fabulous textured carpet, all enjoying the large secondary bath with gorgeous black double vanity with Carrara marble countertop, and again, your family can enjoy some tunes with a Bluetooth speaker, light, and fan while enjoying some bubbles in the tub. A bright, oversized laundry room with barn door and fun tile floor, half bath, plenty of cabinets for storage and quartz vanity, plus large stainless steel wash sink finishes this perfectly renovated home. Now let's head out to the amazing deck area off the mudroom, to the large fenced park-like backyard with fruit-bearing peach tree and large open area, perfect for a game of catch or fetch, weekend barbecue, or just a night under the stars with your sweetie. With easy access to Kroger, a night out in Decatur enjoying some fabulous restaurants, or the East Atlanta Village, 1937 Don Juan Lane is the perfect place to call home. Contact broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this exquisite find.